Hi to everyone. I will take a short record about what's happened. The problem is this G key, which I press. I will press it the same way all the time, and you can see now it's like one of the 10 notes is very high velocity with no reason. Now it's two in a row. Yeah, I'm pressing it the same way very gently. Now, you see, you hear it. You can hear it. I will put the volume up so you can. Now, now, now. Now, so you can hear it, but there is no problem of other keys. Other keys are okay. No problem. With this G key gives very high. Now, oh, it gives very high velocity. Some notes. So that's the problem. So I think the problem persists. So, but I have to tell you something. I dismantle because originally the problem was with this G. I dismantle the keyboard and there is some gum parts under the keys and I replace the gum part here. And the problem, the mistake, transferred to this G. So it means upon my opinion, it's more the problem of the gum part, which is below the keys. It's such a gummy, very like silicone part, and there's some carbon contact or something. So basically, I think the problem is the beneath the keys. Under this is the gum part, and that part is uh, has some malfunction. So that's it. Oh yeah, okay. I could, because you ask about the some kind of record. I could add the record you request. You request MIDI control center, and it's synchronized. And now I should press view and MIDI console. So it should generate some values here. I will play the same notes, the G notes, and you can see the without no sound then. So one of the value is velocity for sure, and it means for a 71 too much, 77F too much, 76 too much. I think the third row is velocity, right? Is it better now? So I'm playing the G notes with the same velocity, but I don't know which value you're about to analyze, but I think it's the third column. Okay, so now you have what you want, and unfortunately I think that the advice of you doesn't help much. I basically what I did, I cleared the gun pot which is under. I clean it with the water, with the alcohol, but it improves a bit, but not 100%. Okay, hear from you soon. Bye.